Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free. Step 1. Go to the link down below in the description box and click on it. It will take to this page. Choose your country. Then you will see an option free trial. Click on it. Now you will see 3 options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Then click continue. Next, enter your email address and click continue. Fill all the details with your card information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends. Then click on agree and subscribe. Now you will see this screen. Set up your password, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Step 2. Open a new tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Click on the first result and download the Creative Cloud app. After the download finishes, install it and log in using the same email you used before. Once you're in the Creative Cloud app, open the Apps section. Here, you'll find the entire collection of Adobe software. Find Acrobat Pro, install it, and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye, and have a great day.